Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Shilpi Shukla, Principal of Priyadarshini High School, Pune, appreciated the collaborative learning and insights shared by fellow educators on implementing AI in schools. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special educator from Pune. She is Ms. Shilpi Shukla, Principal, Priyadarshini High School, Pune. So, welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your experience being here? Experience was fantastic. Today, I got a chance to interact with a lot of new principals over here. And it is not my first time.
Right.
Every time, whenever times to grow, bring something, some new panel discussion, it is to create certain kind of awareness amongst all the principals, and it is actually a hot topic on which we discussed today. And we got a lot of inputs from different principals, like how they are implementing AI in their schools and what different and how differently they are handling it. So overall, a very nice experience. That's great to hear, ma'am. So just tell us about your school. What makes Priyadarshini stand out from the crowd? Priyadarshini is just not a name. It's a brand. I've been working with them from past 4 years.
Okay.
And just if we talk about the history, Priyadarshini School started with just 5 students in year 1982. So we are like into our 43rd year in education system. The best thing about Priyadarshini is the trustees are actually, they're not business people.
Right.
They're educationists, and the mindset with which they are running the school, it is completely about improving the standards of the children. So we have a lot of programs, right? Like we have phonemic intelligence, which helps in balancing the both sides of the brain.
Right.
Along with that, we have EQ, emotional quotient development. We have IKS. We have BACS, Vedic maths. It's like they plan the thing in such a manner that it is a holistic development of a child. We also have a lot of sports programs,
Right.
so that children are aware of what kind of sports they're playing, and in future, if they want to pursue certain kind of sports,
Right.
they can go ahead with that.
That's great to hear, ma'am. So it was all great experiences that you have curated for your students. But like as the world we are seeing today, it's so much of negativity around, negative news, negative people. So how do you make sure that, a positive environment is being created for the students and they thrive in both like student life as well as personal life?
So we have got very, very strong leadership team in schools amongst children itself. So the student council group,
Right.
they have got very good right to speak whenever they want to speak on any topic. You won't believe that as a principal, I conduct meetings with student council to understand, and it's not on monthly basis, it is on weekly basis.
Okay.
So that they can talk about the issues that they are facing, and also how we can bring change, because they are the people who will be bringing the change.
Absolutely.
They're the future of the country. So we do that. And we have, I don't know whether other schools are doing it or not. We have developed 2 patents of our own. So this is a huge accomplishment, I feel. Apart from this, we also motivate children for going for a lot of sports things. So I have many children here who are, who have won gold medals at different stages.
Okay.
Maybe it starts from ZP district level, then state level, and they have also won national level gold medals. We also promote alumni meets. So in that case, it is like the alumni of the school, they come to the school, they talk to children, they tell about their experiences. So then it creates a culture where everybody shares their experiences, and a positive culture is created in the school.
Right. Feel like a family.
Yeah.
Absolutely great. And like there are many policies and education reforms coming in India right now. So Which one do you think will be really helpful in taking the country's education future forward?
I think I'm liking the way NEP is being implemented.
Okay.
The lot of things like the kind of the podcasts that are being made where we are taking parents' input as well. So it is not just a progress card; it is a holistic progress card where not only teachers' inputs are being given, the inputs from their peer group as well as we take inputs from the parents as well. So that gives a complete 360 degree view about the child. So that is definitely helping the children to grow.
That's great to hear, ma'am. And it's absolutely a very good thing that you're taking so many initiatives at your school. I'm sure the students are very lucky. So thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. And we look forward to have more such sessions with you
Next year again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.